Hi everyone, Shahan Wicks from AudiSportExpert.com at Audi Midtown. Here we're taking a look at the 2021 Audi Q5 Sportback in Navarra Blue with the black optics. As you can see here, got the honeycomb grille, full LED lighting. Now this is the Technik, so you have the animation lighting that's on this vehicle as well. You have the driver assistance package, so down here you have the radar system, you have the sensors at the bottom. This has the S-Line package, so you have the 20-inch wheels on the outside, and let's take a look at the back. This is what it's all about. They've actually extended the back of the Q5 Sportback to give you some more room here. I'll put it in the trunk. Just take a look inside. Cover that's retractable here. You also have, they brought back the roof rack crossbars, so that's standard equipment now with it. You have your mats, you have a first aid kit that comes with it. You also have a cargo net, and you can fold down the seats here as well. This does have the kick activated tailgate. There's also the buttons here to open and close. Let's take a look at the back design. As you can see, the bumpers, they're not showing any of the exhaust systems here. It's all hidden as a prelude to electric vehicles. Now this is 261 horsepower with the 12-volt mild hybrid engine. It's a beautiful looking vehicle. Take a look at the spoiler here. How it flares out. And we're going to take a look inside now. Alright, taking a look inside, this has the black optics, so if you have the piano black inlays on that, the Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system, which is part of the Technik package. Moving right along, we have the 12.3-inch TFT screen on there. And you have the heated and cooled cup holder that's part of the Technik package, placed right here. And then this one has the optional Audi phone box with wireless charging and signal boost. Nice large 10-inch screen. This is just a concealer there, just to keep it nice and clean before delivery. So it's all a touch screen. As you can see, we're just gonna turn that on there. Electric, so you have the electric power steering column, stainless steel pedals down below. With the S-Line package, you're gonna get the contoured sport seats that extend out as well on that. This vehicle just came in and it's not PDI'd, so I'm just going to turn that off so it doesn't beep at us on there. And let's take a look at the back. Alright, going into the back, once again, piano black inlays. You have your sound system here of the Bang & Olufsen. 705 watts of power with your music, contour seating, and you also have your contrast stitching shown here. In the Technik, you will get the heated rear seats, and that's the 3-zone climate control in the back. You also have charge connections down there below. There is a panoramic sunroof that has the shade on it currently. So hopefully you like this presentation of the 21 Audi Sportback Q5. We're going to take a look at the build sheet right here. what this lists for. So this one before taxes, $64,579. Technik, optional equipment, S-Line black package, advanced driver assistance package, so active cruise control, stop and go features, traffic jam assist, traffic sign assist, all that. You have metallic paint because it's Navarra blue. You also have the wireless charging with phone box and signal boost on there to a total of $67,579 before tax. That's your all-in price. Thank you for joining me for this viewing of the new 21 Q5 Audi Sportback. I'm Shahan Wicks, AudiSportExpert.ca, located at Audi Midtown. If you have any questions or would like any tutorials, please send me a message, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.